Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up and then to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I don't know about you guys' house, but mine is a hot mess right about now. With all of us staying home 24/7, it's just a hot mess, you guys. As you all can see, my kitchen is pretty disgusting. I am in the process of recording myself deep cleaning my whole house, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and dive right on into this one. So I'm just clearing everything out of the sink so I can wash it. I do wash my sink like several times. I don't know why I do it, but I do. So you're going to see me wash it, I think about 3 times in this video. So the first time I clean my sink, I'm using the Mrs. Meyers all-purpose spray, and then I'm going to go ahead and use some dishwasher liquid also. Now I'm just going to go ahead and load the dishwasher with all of the dirty dishes that are sitting on the sink and that were on the table also. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I use boiling hot water to clean my kitchen, but to that I am adding some Pinesol and bleach. I have been using products that kill 99.9% of germs. With everything going around in the world, I just want to make sure I'm doing my best to kill all the bacteria and germs. When I clean my microwave out, I typically use a water and vinegar mix, and then I also follow up with an all-purpose spray. The water and vinegar mix is just to cut back on the smell from everything that has been warmed up in there, and it really does a good job, you guys.
Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener. You will never understand what you put me through. And you never be a good lover. A good lover. At first I believed I was the lucky one, but I was just fooling myself. Fooling myself. You think you can.
This toaster oven is so disgusting. I do plan on deep cleaning every appliance that is in my kitchen when I deep clean my kitchen, so stay tuned for that video, you guys.
Is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time. Yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my love once, but now I'm fed up. Gonna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God's shadow. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're
So to properly clean off my countertop, I'm just going to go ahead and remove everything except the toaster oven.
for God's shadow. Better.
There's something wrong with my husband. I didn't even know he was behind me.
I never heard the silence so loud before. I'm gonna love every minute of it.
I wipe everything down that sits on top of the countertop also. So to clean off my stove and under the stove, I use the method Degreaser, and I've said it 1,000 times, you guys. I really love this stuff. So once again, my drip pans are absolutely disgusting. I don't know what to do about these drip pans. I tell my kids to like wipe them off as soon as they're done cooking and like they've cooled off, but I don't know what to do. I'm thinking about wrapping them in aluminum foil. Let me know what you guys think about that. I think I heard somewhere that you shouldn't do that, but at this point, I'm tired of seeing them look so disgusting. Now to just clear off everything that has accumulated on the table. As you all can see, there is a lot of stuff that needs to be put away. I'm spraying my table with Mrs. Meyers all-purpose spray. So what have you guys been doing to pass time? Let me know in the comments down below. We haven't really been doing anything. I mean, I clean and I work from home, and that about sums up my day. Oh yeah, and I watch like Netflix, and then I'll be on YouTube, and I'm not getting any exercise. I'm like terrified to go outside. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys have been doing to pass the time.
AAA credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break on the inner lane. 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard.
So this little drawer at the bottom of the stove has fallen off of the track, and this stove so needs to be replaced. I have told my property manager several times that it needs to be replaced, but of course they have not replaced it. We've been here for almost 10 years and they have yet to upgrade anything up in our townhouse. So yes, I'm cleaning my sink again, and this time I'm gonna go ahead and use the water and vinegar mix and also the soft scrub.
Leashes off. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Shawty, don't play that game.
I love how these make my garbage disposal smell after I drop one down. In this glass jar I have orange and lemon scent.
You will always be there, heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah.
So of course, to finish off in my kitchen, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep and mop. In my mop water, I have bleach and Pinesol. My broom, bucket, and mop are all by Cedar.
Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on.
Well, loves, that is all for this cleaning video. If you found this video motivating or enjoyed watching me clean, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend or two that may need some cleaning motivation. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, because I do post a cleaning video at least once a week. And I wanted to let you all know that I do have a channel where I only post vlogs. So if you enjoy watching day in the life videos, head on over to that channel and smash that subscribe button. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
I'll be in